When we get a new hair topper, there may be some clips attached inside it. Sometimes, you may want to sew them into a different place that is more comfortable for your scalp. You'll need a pair of scissors, a sewing needle, the thread, clips, thimble as necessary. Put the thread through the hole in the needle and make a knot at the end of the thread. Find the position where you want to add the clip. Make sure the clip teeth face towards the middle of the base. Begin to sew the clip into the base, going through one hole of the clip. Sew 2 or 3 circles of thread through the hole for good measure. Next, when you've finished one hole, pull the thread under the clip, then go through the same steps as the first hole. Pull the thread through the rubber on the clip, then go through the same steps as the first hole. When you finish all the holes, make a knot under the clip.